Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch turtle in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, there are two turtles that you can catch from this event. The first one is the Flatback Turtle, and the second one is the olive Ridley turtle. This one. And if you want to catch them, guys, you're going to go to the whale sea, and you can catch them in any weather, anytime. So first, go to this area right here, and you're going to start fishing. If you want to increase your chance of getting the turtles, you can start the fish event by Fanya. Okay, you can catch the fish here, or you can start the event, so you will have more chance to get the turtles. Oops, let me talk to Fanya. Okay, you can start this event, guys. Neritic Shoal Event. I got them from this event. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the turtles in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!